So I'm trying to remove the zip for the dress. That's the first step in changing this dress to a top. So when you want to detach the top from the skirt of the dress, you have to cut from the half length. So here I'm just checking the zip that I'm going to use for the top, like the length. When you detach it from the half length, you have an allowance of half of an inch. So that half of an inch, I'm going to fold it and sew it. So after sewing, I'm going to iron it to give it a neat finishing. Then I put the zip. So here I'm trying to change my footer. That's my footer. That's my zip footer. I'm trying to change it to the zip footer so that I can pull my zip. I've already put my zip, but I just want to show you guys how I put my zip. So I start with one stitch first. I don't know how to explain it. Then maybe I'll do a very close up video. What I'm trying to tell you here is that don't allow your clothes to be down while putting your zip. Just put everything on top of the machine, because if not, it will be dragging while you're putting your zip. See how neat it is. Being born left-handed, but I also use my right, and while learning how to sew, people that were teaching me were right-handed, so I had to learn some skills on my own. Like every time when I wanted to cut, sew, like it was always starting from the left. So you have to just know your strengths while you're learning how to sew.